Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, at the end of this video, make sure you subscribe and you like the video and then leave a comment for me to read. So this morning I went on a run, as you saw, and literally I have not gone on a run in forever, so that was murderous, I'm just gonna tell you. And I took a shower and I'm drinking my breakfast. The vlog. Alright, y'all, so Freddie, my car went and got new tires yesterday, and for a couple months I've been wanting to clean it out super nicely, so that's what I'm gonna go do right now. So I'm gonna like take out the trash and then wipe stuff down, and maybe I'll vacuum it. I don't think I will, but if I'm in the mood, I'm in the mood, so let's do it. Vacuuming. You're cool. And now I'm late for online seminary, so let's go. Oh wow, my hair really is bad.
Let them play it.
Here we are.
Now we can Pro Controller.
It's Avery.
On the small.
Wait, do it. Got kicked off of seminary because our Wi-Fi. Look at our dog is so cute. Hey puppy. We're gonna play Minecraft, but I'm gonna be in charge of the mouse and Sam's gonna be in charge of the keyboard, so this is gonna be good. Survival or creative? Survival. That's right. Die. Where do we want to build our house?
Go get wood. And then
I don't want to get wood. Let's just build it out of dirt.
No, we have to get wood to get tools.
Who cares?
Bruh. We're gonna run out of hunger.
Oh wow. Why do we have hearts like that?
Because it's hardcore.
Oh, I forgot. Whatever.
Alright, do it again.
No!
Not hardcore.
Keep going.
Okay, get wood.
I'm working on it.
Good.
Oh my gosh, we're already at 2 hunger?
Yeah.
Bruh. Cat! What?
We read 5 buttons.
Dang it! Whoa, doggy.
Never mind. Actually, there's some coal down there.
Nope. No! Sam, how are we gonna get out?
Wait, okay, now there's some coal. Look up. Look up. There's some coal.
We
right
can't
there.
get that
We
from
need to get the
here.
stone. We need to get the stone. And
You're the worst. Why did I agree to this?
that stone right there.
No.
These 4.
I'm working on the coal.
We need more stone.
Oops. Okay, shut up. I'm just kidding, I love you. Go! Oh my gosh, we're literally gonna starve in the first 10 minutes.
Put it down. Alright, click the pork and...
I'm working on it.
Not the planks.
Well, what else would I burn? The buttons,
now
maybe?
click the pork chop.
I got it. We got bored. Sam killed us. He jumped off the edge and he was gonna land in water, but he didn't. So I'll see you guys after. I'm back! What a fast shift! Wow! My friends Morgan and Hannah came in and brought me orange vanilla, and I kind of spilled it in the car, but it's fine. Here, I need food. Like, I've been home for like an hour just talking to family friends, and I have not gotten food. I need food. Should I just eat some cereal? Is that healthy? That soda kind of made me feel a little bit sick and like very bloated. Oh my gosh. I always look out here for dinner and it's never out here. Like, why do I expect some healthy, good, like quick to make food is out here? Because it's not. And nothing has changed. Good idea, Dad.
Did you put it away?
Yeah, it's still in the back. I ended up getting crab salad, folks. Dad, are you gonna get some crab salad?
Yes.
Delicious. It's almost midnight and I'm so tired, but like I cannot make myself go to bed. There's just so much effort that goes into going to bed. I ate my crab salad, it was delicious, and now I'm gonna go to bed. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.